Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got 2 boxes and I think I'm going to do this all in the same video. We've got a shipment from Otamot, which is tomato spelled backward. This is organic tomato sauce. They reached out to me and asked me if I would try their sauce and I said sure, but only if you give my viewers a discount. Before I go any further with this, I don't want to forget, you can use the link in the description down below. Use promo code Coach Amy. That's Coach A-I-M-E-E, no space. It's one word, Coach Amy. Like Coach Amy. Use that with the link in the description down below and you'll save 20% off your order with Otamot. I think I'm saying that correctly. Am I? I don't know. We're gonna open this up and find out what they sent. There's an envelope. Oh, cauliflower. There's a $2 off coupon for cauliflower. And then there's a promo for Simple Mills. Oh wow, look at this. Recipes. We love that. A recipe for a spicy Bloody Mary using, I guess, the pasta sauce. That's interesting. Yeah. And then a veggie loaded cauliflower pizza and soup any which way. So 3 recipes. That's pretty cool. I love when companies do that. What have we got here? What have they sent? Organic essential sauce. It's high in fiber, 10 organic veggies, gluten-free, plant-based. Delicious, nutritious, organic tomato sauce for pasta, pizza, soups, and much more. Whole30 approved, USDA organic, certified gluten-free. And it says vine-ripened tomatoes, carrot, red bell pepper, sweet potato, butternut squash, spinach, red beets, sweet onion, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, shiitake mushroom. I like these jars too, they're nice. Guys, this is totally clean. I wonder what it tastes like. I'll do a taste test too. So stay with me. An organic vodka sauce. That's awesome. This is 80 proof vodka, 10 organic veggies, dairy-free, plant-based. The ingredients are organic tomato puree, organic tomatoes, organic carrot, organic red bell pepper, organic sweet potato, organic butternut squash, organic cashew butter, organic extra virgin olive oil, organic spinach, organic onions, organic vodka, organic lemon juice concentrate, organic beet, organic garlic, sea salt, organic red beet powder, organic crushed red pepper, organic shiitake mushroom. Contains tree nuts because of the cashews. This is also gluten-free, USDA organic. This is awesome. I love these jars. They're so pretty. And then we've got the spicy organic sauce. And this is the one that you can make that Bloody Mary with. High in fiber, no sugar added, gluten-free, plant-based. Spicy sensation with red jalapeno, crushed red pepper, and chili powder. That looks good. Oh, organic pizza sauce. This is cool. We make our own pizza. You guys know that. So we will definitely use this. And this is founded by a dad who simply wanted to help his daughter eat healthier. And it says, this is your perfect pizza topper, nutrient dense and thick in consistency. This delicious sauce pairs perfectly on pizzas, calzones, as a dip, and so much more. So guys, this is pretty awesome. I think I'll do a taste test of this. So I'll have one of them for dinner tonight. And now we're going to move on to the Lancaster Farm Fresh box. Lancaster Farm Fresh. This is the medium box. It is $39.99. All organic produce. They deliver to New Jersey, Washington, D.C. metro area, and southeastern, I think I'm getting that right, Pennsylvania. It's a nonprofit cooperative of all organic Amish farms. I think that's fascinating. We have our ice packs on top. Oh, and if you want to give Lancaster Farm Fresh a try, use code AMY5 and you'll receive $5 off your purchase. This is my favorite company right now. We have some kale. I can probably put some of the kale in with the pasta sauce. Green kale. It smells really fresh. And then we have some sweet, yummy peppers. And we got these before, and I actually use these in tacos. I like to add peppers to my meat when I make tacos. And then we've got some of the center cut squash. And this was awesome. The first time I ever had it was when we got it from Lancaster Farm Fresh about a month ago. It's the first time I've ever had center cut squash. I've never even seen this before. I treat it like zucchini, and it's very flavorful. I really enjoyed it. And then we have white cauliflower. Last time we got green cauliflower, which was super good, by the way. And this time we have white cauliflower. And then it looks like we got some more beets. We got some beets last time too. Are these beets? Oh, it's a black radish. Oh, a black radish. We got 2 black radishes, guys. These are awesome. Would you buy a black radish in the store? Probably not, but since I have it, I'm definitely gonna use it. Oh, look at these. These are awesome. These are so much better than the carrots that we've gotten lately from everybody else. This one, this is an interesting looking carrot. Look at this carrot. It's a crazy carrot. But these are so much fresher and nicer looking than the carrots that we got from Misfits. So much nicer. This one's cracking me up though. It's an alien carrot. And this isn't sponsored by Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op either. I think I said that, but if I didn't, I'm saying it now. I paid for this box. Got some lovely celery. This is awesome. And then we've got some red onions. Oh no, they're shallots. I was gonna say they're small for red onions. But you know what? I can tell by the shape, they're shallots. These are big for shallots, guys, aren't they? What do you think? Ashlyn, do you want to show everybody your ear? Come here, Ash. Ashlyn's ear is all healed. Look at this. Her ear is perfect again. My fuzzy little friend over here. I still don't know what happened. If you missed that video, there's a link to it in the description down below. But somebody got Ashlyn's ear, but now it's okay. Say hi, everybody. She's done. She's done. She had enough of me. I feel like I'm a little all over the place in this video, but I'm gonna try these sauces. Here's what I decided to do. I have some red lentil fusilli pasta. This is gluten-free and it's from Public Goods. If you missed that video, there's a link to it in the description down below. And then I have the organic essential sauce from Otamot. That's the one I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna add some spinach to that. This is from a few weeks ago from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op. And it's still really good, but I'm gonna have to use it. So I'm gonna throw that in with the pasta sauce. Colin's not home tonight, so this is just me. He probably would be like, where's the rest of the food? But for me, this is good. I like to eat like this. Once the water boils, I'll throw in the pasta and get the sauce and the spinach going. Here's the sauce with the spinach. I did add a little bit of wine because that's how I get the remaining sauce out of the bottom of the jar. And the wine is from First Leaf, which is a wine club. There's a link to that in the description down below where you can save $20 or $40, but you can save off your first order, and I highly recommend it. I've gotten the best wines ever from them. I really love it. And this is what the sauce looks like, cooked with the spinach in it. I'm taking my cooked pasta and tossing it with the sauce. I'm gonna add some cheese, and I grate my own cheese because when you buy the grated cheese, there's all kinds of funky stuff in that you don't want to eat. So I buy a block of cheese and I grate it myself. Here is the sauce. I'm going to try this. I don't like to eat on camera, but I'm doing it for you. It's really good. I mean, the spinach is really good too. This is really good. Wow. I'm so glad they reached out to me. Yeah, this is super good. 2 thumbs up. Aimée approved. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Super good. Wow. Thank you, Otamot. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Tomato backwards. For reaching out to me. And again, if you guys want to give this a try. And by the way, the spinach from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op that's in this, that's 2 weeks old, is super good, super fresh. This is really a good dinner. Who knew? But remember, if you want to try either of these companies, you want to try Lancaster Farm Fresh, you use promo code Aimée5, you save $5. And if you want to try the Otamot company, use code Coach Aimée, one word, and you save 20%. So good deal all around. I'm going to keep eating my dinner now. Maybe you should go away. Let me eat. What do you guys think of this? I don't know what the Otamot stuff cost because they sent that to me. They didn't pay me to do it. They just sent me some free sauce. But what do you think of the Lancaster Farm Fresh box for $39.99? I think this is totally worth it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the sink too. So we have our shallots and we have our kale, our center cut squash, our lovely carrots, our celery, the peppers are under there, the black radishes are under there, and the cauliflower. What do you think? For $39.99, is this worth it? Would you order from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op? Are you going to order from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-Op? This is Aimée. Happy eating. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.